Hey y'all, so I am running into Hobby Lobby real quick. I gotta buy a couple little things and just kind of do mainly a walkthrough and see what I can spy on and add to my wish list, because you guys know I would love to buy the whole store. But yeah, come with me. Alright guys, so as you can see, they got a lot of the white buffalo print stuff going on. They got like little mittens and all these little things. And guys, this part, look, it is on sale for 50% off. So that makes it about $9.99, guys. I need to buy one of these. I want one for my table. So then they got a lot of the sunflower stuff going on. And then look, guys, all these pumpkins, fuzzy pumpkins, guys. I can't believe it. And then they got some flower decor pumpkins and 50% off. And then they got all this Christmas stuff going on. Look, baby Christmas tree stuff for 50% off. I'm super excited. I have some baby Christmas trees. And then look, they even have these little mini ladders, guys, with the little roller pins going on. So I'm excited for Christmas. Look, let's see, how much is this? So $3.99, guys. That means it's $1.99. You can't beat that. That's pretty cute. Have some ideas. And then they got some bulbs. I need to check out the bulb area. Now guys, I am really thinking about doing my Christmas tree with these bulbs, the rose pink color, so the rose gold theme. And so I don't know, guys, I'm really thinking about doing that theme for my tree. So I really need to start buying some stuff for it. And then they got all these other little odds and ends, like the little garlands. So can't wait. So guys, I'm thinking this year. So I have a big Christmas tree, probably about a 6-footer. But I'm thinking this year, I also like to have some of my baby Christmas trees up too. So I'm debating, y'all. I think, cause I kind of like the rustic with the buffalo and the kind of red buffalo. I'm thinking, y'all, that I don't know, I may put some of these on there with the rose gold. Y'all comment in the comments and tell me what y'all think. You think mixing those together is gonna look good? If not, then I might just make one Christmas tree, maybe my rose gold, maybe the baby ones or something. I don't know if I could find baby bulbs, and then the big one can have some of these on there. I don't know yet. Typically I try to do like a winter wonderland theme, which I still like, but I don't know. More and more I keep seeing it. I'm like, look how cute that little barn is. Like, I don't know. I mean, I grew up in Florida, y'all, so this kind of gives me more up north vibes and kind of brings in the north to the south, I guess you could say. So, I don't know. See, I like those winter wonderlands. I love things that is all white. So we'll see. Alright. Y'all, they even got like pieces of wood and everything. This is cool. They got little cinnamon sticks. I like that little barrel of wood. Cute, cute, cute. tons of ribbon. And a lot of stuff is on sale right now. I need to be shopping here when it's on sale. I keep saying that to y'all, but I never do, never do. Y'all, I need to make one of those from scratch. I've been saying I want one of those. I'm gonna look it up and make one. Alright guys, so I'm about to get ready to go back. What I was really looking for is something to show y'all what I did with my craft. So I needed some of these little wooden spoons. I'm trying to see if they have some more somewhere else, but these do. I'll show y'all what I'm gonna do with them. They're from my tea bar and hot chocolate bar, which I need to get up and going. So stay tuned, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Krafts by Jazzy. Thanks for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned to see more of my DIYs, shopping sprees, and more.